Hello, my name is Joaquin Pineda. I am 20 and I'm currently residing at Sampaloc, Manila. I am an architecture student and my pronouns are he, they. I consider myself as an overall creative. I can draw, paint, gano'n, may makeup, pak boom, mga ganyang kabaklaan. Bata pa lang, mahilig na talaga ako sa tita, char joke. Hindi, pero mahilig talaga ako sa art supplies, like gupit-gupit, like glitters and all that. Colored paper, ganun. And at a young age, alam ko na talaga na bakla ako. And then, ayun nga, and drag really helped me accept it. Like, no high school ako, it was like my first time watching RuPaul's Drag Race. And there was an instant connection with drag. Like, parang sabi ko, ay, gusto ko din magbibihis-bihis, gano'n. And then makeup, ganyan. Like, kahit kumot-kumot, baklang-bakla na talaga siya. And then, yung mga panahon yun, like, willing talaga akong, like, maging drag queen full-time, gano'n. I mean, I was like 15, pero like, sobrang ganun na ako ka-G ng mga panahon yun. Season 7 kasi, Violet Chachki. But anyway, I'm very, updated naman when it comes to the local and international drag scene. Pero I've never really tried full drag. Like, yung head to toe with wigs, like, pak boom boom. Hanggang makeup lang talaga. Kasi, it hasn't been long since I came out, like, 2020. And then I don't have the means to finance it kasi ang mahal, sobrang mahal. And as a broke art student, I want to be transformed. And alam ko na may maibibigay talaga ako as a drag queen. I think the main takeaway in transforming or becoming a drag queen would be LGBTQ empowerment. Kasi as queer people, ang dami pa nating kailangang lakbayin para makamit yung equality or pagkakapantay-pantay sa lipunan. Hanggang sa ngayon, wala pa rin SOGI bill and marami pa rin sa miyembro ng LGBT ang naaabuso, natatapak-tapakan, and naaapi. And I think drag is a unique platform kasi it's very loud when it comes to its message and advocacy. I really think na drag queens are at the forefront of our battle towards equality. And para maging drag queen, it's an honor and a responsibility. If I were to be a drag queen, I will use charot joke. Pero yeah, like, sobrang big deal maging drag queen. And that's why I like drag then. It's very, sobrang boosh talaga. In terms of my abilities naman, I can suck, charot joke. Hindi, pero I do a little bit of singing, dancing, ganon. Pero hindi naman super galing. Tamang pang birthday party lang, ganon. What I bring to the table, I am the table, charot. Pero I'm down to anything kasi try lang ng try, gano'n. In terms of live, kaya naman, I think. Basta magandang lace front, gano'n. Basta naka-wig glue, gano'n. Pero yes, I think I have the balls to pull it off naman. Kaya slay, hustling boots, okay. Again, I am Joaquin Pineda, 20, and I'm ready to be a Nakshi for Mutracals. Bye-bye. Woo!